Ninja, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
In our minds that health comes first. I want to recognize and appreciate the partners who have made this day and have been supporting this cause all this time. Rays of Hope has been around and has been creating awareness all this time. It is very important for us to join the fight against this cancer. As Honorable said, cancer is around, and we must accept that the awareness has to go everywhere. It is very important not only for those people who are above 50 to go and do the checks. These days cancer is everywhere. Cancer doesn't know any age. So many people are suffering because of cancer. I want to thank the partners who have put this together. As an institution, Busoga is a partner in development and is a partner in fighting these terminal illnesses that have been affecting our people. I won't take much of your time, but I want to thank you, all the participants who have made it today to come and join the cause and join in creating the awareness to fight breast cancer and cervical cancer. It is now my honor also to recognize the presence of the representative from the Ministry of Health who is here with us. Madam, please, can you come forward?
Representative from the legislation arm, our aspirant for the Member of Parliament seat. I want to thank you very much for being part of this. Rays of Hope, Hospice Jinja, big ups to you and all the other organizers that you have worked with. We really do appreciate your efforts. My name is Dr. Miriam Ajambo. I work with the Ministry of Health, and I preside over the Division of Palliative Care. So I work very closely with hospices and the Palliative Care Association of Uganda. I work very closely with hospice, with the Rays of Hope Hospice Jinja. I'm here on behalf of the Director General Health Services, who should have been here, but due to competing priorities was unable to make it. I will be reading his remarks, but before I say what he sent me to tell you, I want to say that as Ministry of Health, we are very grateful when we see the public joining us to fight these non-communicable diseases, and particularly the cancers that are on the rise. Our facilities are overwhelmed because we diagnose these diseases late. Cancer of the cervix and breast cancer are the leading cancers among women of reproductive age. And when they come to hospital, it's usually very late. And yet, if we diagnose them early, we could save very many of them. We lose over 50% of the patients who come to our facilities because they are diagnosed late. And what is the solution to this late diagnosis? It is creating awareness, making the public know what to do, how they can actually do self-examination for the breast, and if they have a facility nearby, they can walk there and also be examined, and even go ahead to be investigated further with machines that are in the facilities. And so I want to thank you, Jinja, for coming together to fight these non-communicable diseases. Allow me read what the Director General sent me to deliver to you. On behalf of the Ministry of Health, I would like